Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on notifications on Threads. So without any further ado, let's get started. So first of all, open the Threads app and go to the bottom right corner of your profile page. Then click on the menu button at the top right corner. Now go to the notifications option. Here you can see that the pause all option is enabled. Now you just have to click the button in order to turn on the notifications. And that is how you can simply turn on the notifications on Threads. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.